Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play The Witcher 3 properly. Begin by immersing yourself in the captivating main story and its many compelling side quests. Take your time to explore the expansive open world, as it holds countless secrets and valuable discoveries. Mastering Geralt's combat, utilizing his 5 unique signs, and making thoughtful decisions are crucial for a truly rewarding experience. Remember, every choice you make shapes your journey. To truly master combat, always analyze your foes to exploit their specific weaknesses. Geralt's 5 magical signs, like Igni for fire or Quen for a shield, are indispensable tools in any fight. Thoughtfully allocate your skill points across the combat, signs, or alchemy trees to build a powerful character. Don't forget to craft and use potent potions and oils. They provide significant advantages, especially against tougher enemies. To team up with friends across different systems, a few simple steps are needed. First, ensure both you and your friend have a Konami ID, which must be linked to your gaming platform account. Once linked, you can add each other in the game's social section using your Konami ID. Then, one player creates a private match room and shares the unique room ID, allowing the other player to easily join and start playing. Your choices are paramount, as they profoundly influence the narrative and lead to one of 3 main endings. Cultivate strong relationships with key characters through thoughtful dialogue, as these bonds can have lasting consequences. Don't overlook Gwent. Completing its quests allows you to collect all 199 unique cards. Finally, consider playing on a higher difficulty for an even more immersive and challenging adventure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.